In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video brightness in CapCut PE. If you've ever imported a clip and noticed that it looks a little too dark, a bit washed out, or just not quite how you imagined, adjusting the brightness is one of the quickest ways to fix that. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the brightness settings in CapCut on your computer and how to fine-tune them so your video looks clean and professional. First, make sure you already have your project open in CapCut on your PC. Your video clip should be on the timeline. If it's not there yet, import your footage and drag it onto the timeline so you can work with it. Now, click to select the video clip you want to adjust. You can do this either directly on the canvas, where the preview of your video appears, or on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Once the clip is selected, its properties panel will appear on the right side of the editor. This panel is where you'll find all the main controls for that clip. In the Properties panel, look for the section labeled Basic. Click on it to expand the basic settings if it isn't already open. Within these basic options, you should see a category called Color Adjustment. Go ahead and click on Color Adjustment to open your color tools. Inside the Color Adjustment area, make sure you're on the Basic tab. CapCut may offer other tabs for more advanced color tools, but for simple brightness changes, the Basic tab is all you need. Scroll down within this panel until you reach the section called Lightness. Under Lightness, you'll find a control labeled Brightness. This brightness control usually appears as a slider along with a numeric value. To brighten or darken your video, you can drag the slider left or right. Moving it to the right will increase the brightness, making your video lighter, while moving it to the left will decrease the brightness, making your video darker. If you want more precise control, you can type in a specific value instead of just dragging the slider. As you adjust the brightness, keep your eyes on the canvas, which is your preview window. This live preview lets you instantly see how the changes affect your clip. Try to avoid going too bright, as that can blow out details and highlights, or too dark, which can hide important parts of your scene. Aim for a balanced look where details in both shadows and highlights remain visible. Once you're happy with how your clip looks, you're done. Your brightness adjustment is saved as part of that clip in the project, and you can move on to editing the rest of your video with a more polished, properly lit image.